Tiger, do you know how to do multiplication?
Yes, it is repeated addition. Will you please teach me?
Yes, of course. Multiplication is repeated addition. Let's see a couple of examples. We see 6 lollipops in each of the 3 groups. So how do we find the total? We can just add 6 plus 6 plus 6, which equals to 18. We see 6 lollipops are repeated in 3 groups. So to make it easy, we can write 6 times 3 equals 18. Because the group of 6 lollipops is repeated 3 times. Sensational! Let's look at one more example. We see 5 lollipops each in 4 groups. So how do we find the total number of lollipops? We add 5 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which equals to 20. We can use multiplication here. We write 5 times 4 equals 20. Because the group of 5 lollipops is repeated 4 times. Brilliant! Here's one more example. We see 4 lollipops each in 5 groups. So how do we find the total number of lollipops? We add 4 5 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which equals to 20. Or we use multiplication. So we write 4 times 5 equals 20. Because the group of 4 lollipops is repeated 5 times. How smart!
Thank you, Appu. I understand multiplication now.
Good job! Don't you wish your dog biscuits kept multiplying?
Yes! Ha ha ha!